Hello and welcome to Techable. This is the very brief unboxing of the Samsung 860 EVO 2TB hard drive. Now this is a 2.5-inch SSD and there's not going to be a lot in the box, let's be honest, but we're going to unbox it for you and then we are going to go over some specs and see how good it is. So let's get this unboxed. Get the knife on it. There we go. Put that down. And let's see inside. And now, as you would expect, the installation guide comes up first, which we're not going to read. And then we have the hard drive in the box. There's nothing underneath the box. And there we have the 2TB Samsung SSD. Now, as I said before, this is the Samsung 860 EVO 2TB. It's a SATA 6GB per second interface SSD. We've all heard about them. The build quality is pretty awesome considering it's an SSD. It's just going to sit in your hard computer for a bit. I did unbox the Crucial MX500 SSD and it was nowhere near as good as this one. Like I say, let's go over the specs and we'll see what this one has for you. Now, it's a 2TB capacity, 860 EVO, 2.5 inch. It's got a maximum read speed of 550 megabytes per second and a maximum write speed of 520 megabytes per second. It's got 2 gigabytes of low power DDR4 cache. Maximum read of 4K is 98,000 IOPS and the maximum write of 4K is 90,000 IOPS. It's got all the special features that you would expect. It's got garbage collection, smart support, trim support, blah 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 blah. Maximum endurance rating is great. This is pretty much double of what the Crucial MX500 2TB version is of the same capacity. The maximum endurance rating is 1,200 terabytes written and the maximum amount of hours is 1.5 million hours. So like I say, it comes with a 5-year warranty and it really lives up to its name because 1,200 terabytes written is going to be a hell of a lot of data written to this drive before it goes into the failure warranty period. And that's really just about it. Like I say, it's a 2.5 inch SSD, 2TB, lives in your computer. You rarely see these kind of drives. So there's not really going to be a lot in the box. I mean, no doubt in here he'll have some more specs and warranty and how to transfer from drive to drive and where to find the software. But that's about it. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I shall see you in the next one.